Right triangles show up everywhere, in ramps and roofs, in ladders against walls, even when you check the size of your TV. At the center of all of this is one powerful idea, the Pythagorean Theorem. Here's the basic rule. In any right triangle, the two shorter sides are called legs. The longest side, across from the right angle, is the hypotenuse. If we call the legs A and B and the hypotenuse C, then a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That means if you know two sides, you can always find the third. Let's try a simple example. Say one leg is 3 units long and the other is 4. Then a squared is 3 squared, or 9, and b squared is 4 squared, or 16. Add them. 9 plus 16 equals 25. So c squared is 25 and c is 5. That's our first special right triangle, 3, 4, 5. Any multiple of these numbers, like 6, 8, 10, will also make a right triangle. Now, what if you know the hypotenuse and one leg? Imagine a ladder that's 13 feet long, leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is 5 feet from the wall. The ladder, the ground, and the wall form a right triangle. So A is 5, C is 13. We have 5 squared plus b squared equals 13 squared. That's 25 plus b squared equals 169. Subtract 25 and b squared is 144. So b is 12 feet. The theorem also helps in geometry. Plot 2 points on a grid and draw a right triangle between them. The horizontal and vertical distances are the legs. Using a squared plus b squared equals c squared gives you the straight line distance. Now, what about proofs? There are over 100 different proofs of the Pythagorean theorem. One famous idea uses areas. You can draw a square on each side of a right triangle. The area of the big square on the hypotenuse turns out to be exactly the same as the combined areas of the two smaller squares on the legs. That's another way of saying a squared plus b squared equals c squared. There are also special right triangles with fixed ratios. A 45-45-90 triangle has legs that are equal, and the hypotenuse is the leg times the square root of 2. A 30-60-90 triangle has sides in the ratio 1 square root of 3 and 2. These patterns make calculations even faster. So, the Pythagorean theorem helps you measure, build, navigate, and understand space. If you'd like to turn your own math ideas into simple animated explainers like this, head over to vidfactory.ai and start making your own videos in minutes.